Bebe ko, thank you. Naalala ko yung palabas sa bebe ko tawagan. Bebe ko, yan, hello. Nasa na pala. Hey. Nanalo siguro yun si Lex. Nanalo siguro sa sa Yummy. Yan, nagpa-summer. Ramil, hello. Hi, Jay. Tagasan ka. Pupi. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the stars refuse to shine. But in the back you fall in time. I somehow find. Bebe ko, thank you, bebe ko. Bebe ko. Parang bago ka lang dito, bebe ko. Bago ka lang, no? Thank you, bebe ko. Loida. Yup. As in, lang. Ngayon lang. Or, na. May ilang days na. Axel J, hello. Thank you, bebe ko. Salamat po. Henry, hello. Grabe, ngayon ko na lang to na-experience ulit. Ilang araw akong di 4-star. Hi, din. Busy sa work, di masyadong makatambay. Okay. Pero ilang months ka na dito? May months ka na ba dito? Or days pa lang? 2 weeks. Bago-bago lang. Wow. Welcome po sa Biko. Follow back ko po kayo. Welcome po dito sa Bigo. Shaboy. Ruben, hello. Tom Jerry. Canadian. Thanks. Taga saan ka ba, bebe ko? Pedro. Remember the first day when I called your home. Remember the first day that Tarlac. Wow, malapit lang. Chua, hello. Medyo malapit. Nestor, hello. That's luck. Hello. Ikaw ba? Nueva Ecija po. I knew right then and there you were the one. Oh, I know that she loves me cause she told me so. I know that she loves me cause the feelings show. When she stares at me, you see she cares for me. You see how she is so deep in love. I know that she loves me cause it's obvious. I know that she loves me cause it's me. Hello. She's missing me if she's not kissing me. And when she looks at me, look down I said. Pero nasaan ka niyan, bebe ko? Resting. Hi, Hi, Clears, admin. We kiss. Remember the first day we had it all. Hello. We apologize and then we come.